In our today's class, we are looking at joint variation. Joint variation is represented mathematically as this: y varies jointly as x and z. So what is joint variation? Joint variation occurs when a quantity depends on two or more other quantities varying directly with each of them. So you look at this quantity, which is y. This y depends on x and z. So that is joint variation. When something depends on two other quantities or more and it depends on them directly, it varies directly. That means as x is increasing, y is increasing. As z is increasing, y is increasing. So that is a direct, depending on them directly. And or as x is decreasing, y is decreasing, vice versa. Okay, now let's look at how to convert it to an equation. To convert an equation, what you do is you remove this variation sign. How do you remove it? By introducing a constant k. You write y is equal to k x z. So y is equal to k times x times z. So the k is the constant that makes this to be an equation. Let's solve the following example. So for example, the area of a triangle A varies jointly as its base B and its height h. If A is equal to 30 centimeters squared, when B is equal to 10 centimeters and h is equal to 6 centimeters, find the constant k. Find A when B is equal to 8 centimeters and h is equal to 5 centimeters. So for us to solve this, first of all, we have to find the constant, which is k. So what do we do? First, let's write it. Let's present the statement symbolically. A varies directly as B and H. So that is the symbolical representation. Now to represent as an equation, you have A is equal to K B H. So substituting the value of A, which is 30 is equal to k times 10, B is 10, k times 10 times h is 6. So 10 times 6 is 60, so 60k. 30 is equal to 60k. Now I'm dividing both sides by 60 because we want to make we are finding k, we want k to stand alone. This is 60. So 60 cross 60. Now k is alone. Let's divide this into this. 3 into itself 1 into 6 2. So we have k is equal to 1 over 2. Very, very simple. I've solved for k. K is equal to 1 over 2. Now we can solve for the value of A when B is equal to 8 cm and H is equal to 5 cm. Since our K is 1 over 2, so the formula is A is equal to 1 over 2 base times height. Whenever there is no multiplication in between, there's no addition or subtraction, that means multiplication is in between it. So half base times height. Now we are looking for A and we are giving B as 8. So 1 over 2 times 8 times 5. So 2 into itself 1, 2 into 8 4. So our A is equal to 4 times 5 is 20 centimeters squared. So this is our A. Very simple.